Nak Jingïakhih gino hikai hamadan malki kebalayat mentala khandai Sngi linter namar ke jingbam yo ek jubab nak Sorkar jilla halor ki mat Jingdawa jongki nak liang umentri rangba ke jilla konrad ke sangma ulami shakmat ban kren aa halor ke ne haba krench kilat phatai khubor hakano phai Sngi ke lai pho tarek unai lor araja arbusan Konrad ke sangma ulong baga Jingdawa jongki ke deban kintiu no ek tulap jongki daga pa pin pau baga Sorkar kan haban Khmih benia bahashwa ya ke ne.
So in their case, the situation is slightly different. We have concerns and they're of course asking for an enhancement. So it's not that they're not getting salaries on time. I mean, there's sometimes delay a few months or so, but they're getting the salaries on time. Their issue is different. Their issue is not about non-payment of salary. Their issue is they want an enhancement on the salary package. Government is examining all these aspects because these are all connected. Once we agree to enhancement in say one particular group of teachers, say the SSA, then of course we have the ad hoc school teachers, then we have the other groups that are there. And so we have to look at all the other aspects and then take a decision. So therefore it is complicated because it has got larger ramifications throughout, and we have to see concerns. Obviously everybody has concerns and everybody's concerns are genuine. I don't deny that, but we also have to see the limitations that we have and see how we can take things forward. But I would like to categorically mention that the statement made by you is not correct, that it's no question of bailing out anybody. In teachers, the salaries are being paid on time. They are asking for enhancement. Whereas district council, they are not able to pay the salaries on time. Kyrwoh is district council, and that is why theirs is a different case scenario.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.